What's happening, everybody?
Hey, y'all. Hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in Murrells Inlet once again for the 10th annual Bloody Mary contest. Let's go. Check them out.
That's right. We're right here in Murrells Inlet at the 10th annual. Oh,
And everybody always wants to know the temperature is about 65 degrees out here with a haze.
right. It looks like it wants to rain, but I think it's at 18% chance. So right here we have to show our IDs if we want to get anything to drink. I'm good to go. 21.
Thank you.
You better check that again. I think that's a fake ID.
It is. So we got the stamp of approval for our ages.
All right, and we're going to get in line here. So the prices this year, $60 for the big Kahuna combo, $35 for all you can eat oysters, $20 for the quick pick souvenir glasses, which I do believe that's what we're going to do. You can also get a souvenir glass for $5, and your drink tickets are $6, say $4.
Okay, and I don't see any signs where it says they're sold out of
The oysters, like sometimes they are.
normally.
Aren't they?
Last time we came, this time last year, they were sold out.
You want 2 quick fix?
Yes.
You got
One
it.
for me, one for her. And then how does this work? We just take the tickets and we get our.
Ticket and make sure you for a sampling of the blood.
We have our tickets.
So we're looking for the sweetest and the spiciest this year.
Is that what we're looking for?
I believe so.
So there's vendors like a longboard, skateboard.
Okay.
We need to go to certain ones too. So we're not just going to grab some random. Not all of them random.
Right. There's a couple of restaurants that have been telling us they're participating this year, so we probably need to stop by them and kind of
Right.
show them off. Let's see, who is this right here in front of us? Barnacles. You want to go try one from Barnacles?
We'll try barnacles.
Okay.
Okay. We tried these last year. We're going to try barnacles again this year.
Okay.
Only because she heard the word jalapeno.
I was like, that's for me. All right. So I heard jalapeno. So is it hot and spicy? Okay. We'll see.
You guys from last year.
Yes, that's what he said.
Yum, yum.
Yum yum.
So what's the topping on this?
Celery and jalapeno popper.
Oh,
Celery
okay.
and jalapeno cheese bread.
Oh, okay.
Jalapeno
Cheese bread.
All right.
Same thing, she said. Same.
Same thing.
Yeah, but it sounds classier to say that.
Hey, it's all about the class. So you
That's
ready?
right.
And it's air fried.
All
And it's there.
right.
Oh, good. So
your
it's
health.
It's
healthy
healthier
for you.
for you.
As we get-
It is good.
Good. All right.
Hey, this is the Island Bar. So you're going to, oh, it's not fruit. That is cheese, olives, and tomatoes. All right. Here it goes.
Homemade pickle, homemade jerky.
Homemade pickle, homemade jerky. All right.
Oh, wow.
Homemade
Okay.
pickle and jerky. Well, that cheese was good.
All right. Here's the big tasties.
There's no way I'm taking
Woo!
Hot?
Mhm.
Is it?
I think it's spicier than yours.
For real? I don't know.
At the Island Bar.
All right, so the Lux Company say, hey, girls, hey. And she's also got earrings that we love. And look at there, green bunny for St. Patrick's Day. Y'all need to come check her out. So you do these all handmade?
Yes, all of them are handmade.
Well, they are beautiful. Well, if you need some earrings, come check her out. And as you can tell, it is super crowded down here again. A lot of familiar faces, and everybody's having a good time.
Right.
And if you're ever coming to an event like this, make sure you're dressed in layers. So in case it does get a little warm, you can take it off. But right now, it's staying a bit overcast. So, all right. So here's the Gulfstream Cafe. If Beatbox wants to go try his luck at another one of those.
We'll try the Gulfstream Cafe.
Okay, I don't think they were here last year. If they were, I don't remember them. So let's see. So what we got here?
We've got a Cajun-inspired Bloody Mary, crawfish, break the tail, suck on the head. It's delicious. It's got a little bit of heat. We've got some hot sauce from Charleston also, if you want to try that out.
Okay.
Right.
Wow, that's exquisite.
Thank you.
Nice. All right, go check it out, B-Box. All right. Are you scared? Our
Yeah.
son would like that.
Uh,
It's saying,
the last-
get in my belly.
The last time I ate a bug, I don't know what it was. Look.
Oh no! I didn't know they had bugs on them.
So this is bacon and pineapple, I do believe.
Oh, yum! Oh. So,
Oh God, hold on.
you know how to do that, B-Box. You know I don't want you choking because I gotta throw the camera down and save you.
I can deal with the Bloody Mary though.
Okay, so it's not hot and spicy. And they did have hot sauce and soy sauce on the side to add to it.
Yeah, if you wanted it a little bit more spicy, but that's pretty good. I'm going to go wash my hands real fast, get the bugs off.
And get into the next one. Getting away from the little bit of the hustle and bustle, I'm going to show you the Oyster side of the Bloody Mary Festival. And there they are, steaming them up hot down there. And look at all these people. They're enjoying it. There's our friends that we met in line. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. And that's all you can eat oysters for $60. Looks pretty good, huh? All right. It's a lot of them, isn't it? Looks like they're distributing them just as fast as they can get them in there. They're getting them out. Look at that. Nice and hot.
Shrimp, kielbasa,
A little corn.
little corn.
All right.
All right, go.
Okay. Oh God, I don't have to pull the tail off of this one.
That's
Look,
good. It's detailed.
it's detailed.
Does he like it?
It's good. It's not as hot, but it's got some spice to it now.
Make my quay day.
All right.
All righty, look at here. Looks delicious. That's bigger than she is.
I know she's got upper body strength for that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, show me what you got.
All right, look at this. Y'all need to check this out.
What is that?
But it's got some wasabi, tuna, with sprigs and pepper on top.
Wow.
All right, and this is very hot and spicy. It is probably the hottest and spiciest one out here today.
All right, now this is from Neptune's. It's is it a crab cake or a rice? It's a
grit cake.
It's a grit cake.
With shrimp, and it looks
Shrimp
like maybe
and a little sausage. It looks like.
okay.
Oh yeah, you'll like that. Big
And
time.
as you saw earlier, the Bloody Mary is smoked. It's a smoked Bloody Mary. So let's see how that tastes.
Good. That is good. It is
So
good.
far, what do you think, Beat Bites? What's the best one yet?
This is the second best one.
Second best. All righty.
Yeah.
Take this so the Beat Bites won't get it like it did his grit cake. All right, and we're going to try it. Very good. It's very good. Cheers.
It's good too. You ready?
All right, is it spicy?
Mm. Oh, the rib is good.
I heard
No,
it was.
it's not that spicy, but it's pretty
Okay.
good.
All right, well, that's good. I can definitely taste the horsey sauce.
Okay, so is it sweet or is it hot?
It does have that sweet taste, but it also has, it's not very hot and spicy at this moment. Don't forget, Luck of the Marsh Walk, March the 17th, starting at 5 p.m. And you know we're going to bring that to you. Marsh Walk, March the 17th. Alrighty, and what a perfect way to end a Sunday is with the salty pickle. So this has mozzarella, tomatoes, and jalapenos with some sweet spicy jam on top.
Now that's from the
Salty pickle. So whenever the world gives you lemons, you give them pickles. Holla.
That'll conclude this year's annual Bloody Mary and Oyster Roast Festival right here in Murrells Inlet, right here on the Marsh Walk.
That's right. This was the 10th annual. So if you want to join us next year for the 11th annual, you better come here early because it does get busy very fast.
Right.
But
About an
they
hour
were-
after we were here, it started packing in, didn't it?
It sure did. And I mean, as you can tell us, there's a line right back there. The quail was probably my
Quail.
favorite. The
Yeah.
tuna was very fresh.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right. See you in the next video.
Did you want one of these?
I don't think so.
You sure?
I might want to try some of the cornbread before
Okay,
you eat everything.
I won't eat the cornbread
Okay.
because
We'll
I
see.
ate your grit cake without
Yeah.
you knowing.
Very upset about that. I'm not sure if I can forgive you or not. Check this out.
What is that?
That's tuna tartare.
Tuna
and
tartare.
with all kinds of nice goodies on top. So if you're smelling something fishy, you're heading in the right direction for the oyster.
Lots and lots of people look.
That's right. And they just stop in the middle because they have nowhere else to stop. All right, just remember, we've seen a couple of guys, grown men, crying. So you got to be careful on the heat. Zoom in.
You got
Where is he? Where is he? He's over there. All right.
Somebody was crying.
He might not turn around because his face is red. And he's not the only one. B-Bots is laughing, but he's going to be the
Hey.
next one crying. You get knocked down around here. And here is Ruffalicious. Look at those cookies. I better not bring those home. I think my husband would accidentally eat every one of them.